How you doing? Welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Winter is upon us again. I've already started burning firewood, and in today's video I'm going to gather some kindling. I'm going to make some kindling. I'm going to make a lot of kindling, and I know I got some dead cedar trees over here. We're going to go look at a couple, cut them down, and then drag them up here. I like using cedar because cedar is already pretty dry. It dries easier because I store it in my basement where it's warmer. That's why I like using cedar. It just splits easy, dries quicker, lights a fire quick too. So let's go look at a couple trees and see what we have. Right away, as I notice right here, we have two dead cedars, one big one, little one. So I may harvest this bigger one right now, but down here I got about 3 of them. I know for sure. See, we got some here with greenery on it. Lots of green, nice cedars. They have no greenery on them. They'll come down nicely. So you know what? We're gonna take those 3 first, or at least 2 of them. We'll drop them right here. And then I can come down the ATV and pull them up around the corner. Okay, here I had a tree that was hung up on the top with another tree. So I just put a strap around and pull it down with my ATV, well, by hand and then by ATV. And here's another one I can push down. We're all done. Well, I'm not too impressed with these trees. Pretty hollow through the middle, rotten. I got to clean it up now. I'll get a little bit of kindling out of these too. I have the cedar trees all cut up into, well, I don't know, maybe 12 inches, 10-inch lengths. That's the way I like them. Now we've got the splitter out. We're going to split everything and get our pile of kindling going. This will make it real quick and easy with the wood splitter. Well, we have a good pile here now. We're getting onto it. We got lots of cedar logs left to split up into kindling, but as you can see, some of them are hollow, but that's just the way it went. I didn't realize they were so bad. That's just how it goes sometimes. But I'm going to show you what I do, and it's the quick and easiest way I know how to make kindling. It just makes life easy, especially with a wood splitter. So here I just cut the sides off, very thin slices, and turn that round into a square piece. And then I'll go back and I'll split those side pieces that I'm splitting off here into kindling. Now I just turn it over and split the other way, and pieces come off in the perfect size that you need. here I'm just showing you from a different camera angle. Same thing, work on the sides, slice them off, make a round, or make a square out of that round. Every once in a while you see me stripping some of the bark off. Bark doesn't burn that well. But I don't worry about it too much. This is very therapeutic. I mean, you just work away here, you know, in about 20 minutes, half an hour, you got all kinds of kindling. Just like splitting wood, it's very therapeutic, and in no time you got all kinds of wood split or kindling made with a wood splitter. It's actually enjoyable. Now I'm going to work on the hollowed out round here, and it's pretty easy. I mean, they just keep going around that whole round because it's so hollowed out, and it's split off your pieces of kindling. If you're enjoying this firewood and kindling splitting, don't forget to go back to my channel. I have a couple playlists on firewood. Check it out.